I tried to coordinate the facilitators, and sometimes I had to jump in and was taking over a session.
My task as part of the documentation team was to present the treasures of the day, which basically was a recap of the previous day's events to start off the new morning.
Well, among others, I was a learner and a participant.
I presented a method we were using.
I was invited here to be a panelist to give some input during the seminar.
My role during the SEMIFIT was to be a workshop leader.
A bit nervous to be sure that what I present would truly capture what happened today, but also exciting for me because I was forced or been forced to dig a little deeper into my toolbox to be more creative in presenting something that not just captures what was done, but would engage the participants as well.
I learned, which I think is quite interesting, that whenever a seminar where you think you know how the concept works and how things look like starts from new, that kind of with different participants, and although you have a similar approach to do things, the seminar works fully different in its dynamics, and I think that was quite interesting to see for me.
That's actually not so easy to say, but I guess I learned a number of things. I learned a few very nice methods. Mattia did this drawing thing, which I really liked. I learned a nice dice game, and I learned some very good feedback methods.
You learn things about how your workshop applies to a certain group of people, or how it varies depending on the number of people, and there are always so many questions that are raised by the participants that are, an opportunity for the trainer to reflect on a lot of things, and it really helps for the next ones.
I think it was really nice to present our project because I think it was really interesting. But even more interesting for me was to hear the others. But yeah, I think it's a good way to change, just to briefly present our projects.
What I liked very much was the big mixture of people, of their backgrounds, who were trainers, facilitators, teachers, and the exchange, and how just to understand a bit what is the quality we're doing in our educational work.